Hello, dear children. A very good morning to all. Hope you all are well and concentrating upon your studies. This is Nidathar from Divine Public School, and in this video, we will do book exercise of chapter number 5 Pronouns. So, dear children, take out your English grammar book. Take out page number 22nd. As you know that pronouns are the words used in place of naming words. So, according to the first exercise, underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Children, you have to choose the pronoun words from the given sentences and underline those words. Look at question number A. My dad got a puppy. It is very cute. Now underline the word my and it. My is for dad and it for puppy. B. I want to eat an ice cream. Underline the word I. C. She gave the bag to Rashmi. Underline the word she, which is for the girl Rashmi. D. You were absent yesterday. Underline you. We had fun in the park. Underline the word we. Are they coming to school? Underline the word they. Children, take care of that. Are is your helping verb here and they is the pronoun given in the sentence. Now, last sentence. Will you please close the window? Yes, children, can you tell? Yes, of course, the word you is the pronoun word in the given sentence. Turn your page. Page number 24. Exercise number 2nd. Look, question number 2nd. Take the correct pronouns for the sentences below. Children, you have to tick mark on the correct option A. Did Disha meet dash today? Children, you have to choose from me or you. Yes, of course, children, the more correct pronoun is you. Did Disha meet you today? B. I lost my pencil today. Preeti told. You or me? Yes. You have to relate the pronoun with I. So you will take mark on the word me. That I could use her pencil. I lost my pencil today. Preeti told me that I could use her pencil. See, I know Arun gave dash the book. I know Arun gave me the book. D. You should eat more fruits. It's good for dash. It's good for you. So, children, what you are observing here? Yes, you can see that you are relating the pronouns with the subjects. Yes, children, be careful about that. You have to relate the pronouns with the subject. Last one, I was waiting for Sai. He said he would meet dash today. Meet me today because the subject is I. Okay, children, turn the page. Take out page number 25. There is given your exercise number 3rd. In this exercise, you have to do in the form of fill in the blanks. Yes, children. Now I am going to read the sentences. You have to choose the correct one. Zahid asked his friends to come with dash. Yes, of course, children, you will choose the word him. Zahid asked his friend to come with him. As I already told you that you will have to relate the pronouns word with the subjects given. B. She logged her cycle to keep dash safe. Yes, she logged her cycle to keep it safe because cycle is an object, is a thing, non-living thing. C. The dog was happy. The children gave dash food. Yes, children, of course, you will choose the word it for the dog. This is my pencil. I like writing with it. Children, can you tell me what is the correct pronoun that you can use here? Yes, children, you will use here the word it. Last, Sheena's father gave dash a pancake to eat. Yes, children, what will you write here? Yes, of course, children, you will write here her because Sheena is a girl. Sheena's father gave her a pancake to eat. Again, turn the page. At the same page, there is given exercise number 4. According to picture, you will have to fill in the blanks. Yes, Daddy got dash new toys. Look at the picture. How many children are there? There are 2 children. One is saying that Daddy got. Yes, what you will use? Yes, of course, the word us. Turn the page. Take out page number 26. B. The monitor took dash to the principal's office. The monitor took them to the principal's office. C. The teacher gave dash book from the library. The teacher gave us a book from the library. D. My mom's friends came to our house. Mom went to watch a movie with them. Them is used for the friends. Now, children, you are able to do the exercise number 5 by yourself. This is for your homework. In this exercise, you will have to match the words given in column A with the words given in column B. Hope that you understood very well till now. Thank you for the watching. Have a nice day.